Sick to death of trying and failing to make money online? So was I. But what if it really is that easy? What if you didn't have to struggle? I'm Eric Hammer, and I cracked the secret code to making it happen. It's called the Instant Income Generator, and it's going to change your life. It has already changed mine. Here's how. Making money online can be one of the most miserable experiences imaginable. Using video is probably the best way to make it happen because video is engaging. But making videos, frankly, sucks. I hate it. I hate it with a passion. Writing scripts, putting together the B-roll content, trying to record a voiceover and putting it all together, good grief. It's a massive amount of work. It literally takes hours and even days to make it happen. I tried everything. I went to ChatGPT and tried to use it to write my scripts. And it did write scripts. Sort of. Thing is, the scripts were boring. And they were also designed for people who had multiple actors and fancy editing suites. I'm just an ordinary Joe. I don't have a whole crew to create my videos. I don't have a video editor who can splice it all together. And even if I could get the script done by ChatGPT, well, I still had to do all the rest of the work myself. Now, if you've ever tried to record yourself doing a voiceover, heck, just recording yourself doing the outgoing message on your voicemail, you know what I'm talking about. It's hard to do it and make it sound good. I tried a million things, but nothing worked. I figured I was stuck going back to making my old boring talking head videos. Hey, at least those were easy to make, right? Trouble is, they didn't make much money for me. It was kind of a catch-22. Then I found it. The secret prompt that made ChatGPT do exactly what I needed. It was like finding the Holy Grail. Finally, I could get the AI to generate perfect scripts every time. And then, once I was on a roll, I cracked the last pieces of the puzzle. I found a system that would automatically create an entire video for me. And I was even able to create perfect AI-generated voiceovers every time. I went from being able to make a video every 4 days to being able to make a video every 4 minutes. Never in my life had I imagined it could be that effortless. But it really was. This truly was the Holy Grail and the Ark of the Covenant, and everything else Indiana Jones ever searched for, all rolled into one. But the real kicker was the traffic. I went from a handful of views to thousands of views. Suddenly, I was adding fresh leads to my list every single day. And sales were coming in constantly, because I had so many more people watching my videos. I felt like I'd found the proverbial pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. Instead of 2 or 3 sales, I could now do dozens consistently. Now I'm handing it over to you. Every last bit of it. All my secrets are revealed. Nothing is held back because I want you to be able to do what I do and free yourself from struggling to make money online. Oh, and in case you still don't believe that it can be done, this entire video was made using the same AI systems that I teach you in the course. That's right. You actually haven't been listening to Eric at all. Instead, you've been listening to his alter ego, the AI behind the man. And I want to go to work for you. So, what are you waiting for? Click below right now.